after that we will start the new chapter, है ना? We'll start the new chapter, chapter number 8, rural livelihood. Okay? तब तक मैं डाउनलोड कर लेती हूँ भेज. Okay? Rural livelihood. You have to read the from the page number 57, chapter 7, urban administration. Okay, first Kamakshi.
Ma'am.
Start reading.
Ma'am,
page number 57.
Ma'am,
Civics.
subject.
Civics. Civics. मैंने बोला ना कि take out civics book and page number 57. Start reading quickly. Page number 57. Start reading.
Ma'am, 57 या 67?
57. Previous
Okay.
chapter.
Yeah. One lazy Sunday afternoon, Mala and her friend Shankar, Jehangir, and Rehana were playing a game of cricket in the street. Shankar had bowled a good over and all through he nearly managed to get Rehana out. She was still batting. Frustrated, he bowled a short ball and hoped she would hit it for an easy catch instead. Rehana hit the ball so hard and so high that the street light broke. Rehana screamed, "Oh no, look what have we done?" Shankar said, "Yes, we forgot to make a rule that if you break the street light, you are automatically out." But Mala, Jehangir and Rehana were more worried about what had happened, and they told Shankar had better stop thinking about the wicket. Last week they had broken Nirmala Mausi's window and had spent their pocket money to have it replaced. Would they have to dish out money again from their pockets? But who would they pay these to whom did the lights on the streets belong? Who changed them? Rehana's house was the closest, and they ran and told her closest, and they ran and told her mother what had happened. Rehana's mother said, "I don't really know these things in great detail, but I do know that it is the municipal corporation of the city that takes care of replacing lights. The best person of ask would be Yasmin Kala."
Stop.
Yes.
Okay, Charmi. Continue after that. Charmi. Continue after that.
Okay, ma'am.
Continue reading.
He just
The base. Yes.
He retired from the municipal corporation. Go and ask her, and Rehana go back home soon. Yasmin Khala live in the same land and she and Rehana's mother were good friends. The children ran to Khala's house, and when she opened the door, they began to tell her what had happened all at once. When they asked about the street light, Yasmin Khala laughed and said, "There is no one person you can pay the money to. There is a big organization called the Municipal Corporation that takes care of street lights, garbage collection, water supply, keeping streets and market clean."
Okay, silent. Stop. Next, Ankit, you can continue.
I will hear about the municipal corporation. They will put up signs around the city to inform people about malaria, said Mala. Yes, you are quite right. The municipal corporation is also responsible for ensuring that disease do not break out in the city. It also runs schools, hospitals, and dispensaries and makes gardens and maintains them, said Yasmin Khala. Then she added, our city, Pune, is a big city, so and so here it is called a municipal corporation. In smaller towns it is called municipal council. The word councillor and administrative staff. Yasmin Khala, I am curious, who decides where a park should go? Did you have to make a interesting decision like this when you worked in municipal corporation? Asked Rehana. No, Rehana, I was working in the accounts office of the corporation, so I just worked on pay slips. Cities are usually quite large, so the municipal corporation has to make a lot of decisions as well as do a lot of work to keep the city clean. The decisions like where a park or a new hospital should go you go are usually made by the ward councillors.
Okay,
The city is
Stop, Ankit. Vatsal, you can start. Page number 58. Vatsal, you can start.
Yes, ma'am. The city is divided into different wards, and ward councillors get elected. The complicated decisions that if
Complicated.
entire city are taken by groups of councillors who form committees to decide and debate issues. For example, if bus stand need to be improved or a crowd marketplace need to have its garbage cleared more regularly, or there is a nala or drain that cuts through the city that needs cleaning, etc. It is this communities for water, garbage collection, street lighting, etc. that decided on the work to be done. When the problems are within a ward, then the people who live in the ward can contact their councillors. For example, if there are dangerous electrical wires hanging down, then the local council city authority, while the councillors communities and the councillors decide
Committees.
on
Councillors.
committee. The
Commissioner.
commissioner
Commissioner.
and the administrative staff implement this. The commissioners
Commissioner.
and the
Commissioner.
staff are appointed. Councillors
Okay,
are
stop.
elected.
Okay,
So,
stop,
how are
Vatsal. Okay, Mitali,
Yes, ma'am.
you can start.
Okay, ma'am. So, how are these decisions made? Asked Rehana, who never gave up on her train of thought. Uh, well, all of the ward councillors meet and they make a budget, and the money is spent according to this.
The ward councillors try and ensure that the particular demands of their wards are placed before the entire council. These decisions are then implemented by the administrative staff, said Yasmin Khala, enjoying the question. How does the municipal corporation get its money? Providing and running so many services requires a lot of money. The municipal corporation collects this in different ways. A tax is a sum of money that people pay to the government for the services the government provides. People who own homes have to pay a property tax as well as taxes for water and other services. The larger the house, the more the tax. Property taxes, however, from only 25 to 30% of the money that a municipal corporation earns. There are also taxes for education and other amenities. If you own a hotel or shop, then you have to pay a tax for this as well. Also, the next time you go to see a movie, look carefully at your ticket because you pay a tax for this as well. Thus, while rich people
Does
account
not
for
have, it does.
property,
Okay. Thus,
property taxes, a much wider population pays more general taxes.
okay, stop. Stop. Ria, you can continue, Ria.
Yes, ma'am. Which page number?
Page number 60. And turn on your video.
Oh, sorry, ma'am. मैम कहाँ से?
Page number 60.
हाँ, पेज नंबर 60 में कहाँ पे?
फर्स्ट से कहाँ पे तुम्हारा माइंड? पेज नंबर 60 से.
First,
The children asked no adult asked her about her job, and the children's question provided her an
Opportunity.
opportunity to reveal some of her relieve some of her expedition, but the city is so large, it must take a lot of people to look after it. Thus, the municipal
Municipal corporation.
Municipal corporation have a lot of workers, asked Shaker.
Curiously.
Previously, he had by now luckily forgotten about the cricket match and his incomplete hour. Yes,
Over.
the work
Stop. Stop. Suhani. Suhani, you can continue the page number. Wait. Page number 67. The new chapter. You can continue, start reading. Suhani. Where is Suhani?
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, Banya. Continue.
Yes, ma'am. Chapter number 8, Rural Livelihoods. In the first chapter, we look at the many kinds of diversity in our lives. We also explored how living in different regions has any effect on the work people do, and the kinds of the plants, trees, crops, or things that become important to them. In this chapter, we will look at the different ways in which people earn their living and living in village. And here too, as in the first two chapters, we will examine whether people have equal opportunities to earn or living. We will look at the similarities in their life situations and the problems that they face.
Okay, stop. Stop. Arya,
यस मैम।
continue.
मैम 68 पेज नंबर से ना।
Yes.
ओके, पेज नंबर 68, Kalpattu village. Kalpattu village is a that choose to people
Close
choose
to the
close.
sea coast.
Close to the sea
Hmm?
coast in Tamil Nadu. People here do many kinds of work. As in other villages, here too there is non-farm work such as making basket, utensils, pots,
Utensil.
bricks,
Utensil, bartan.
utensils, bullock carts, etc. There are